everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and today's a little different. Have we heard of wines or cheeses that have a smoky flavor? Why not a smoky tomato? I've never heard of that. Is it possible? Well, we're going to find out. I know that the sugar tomatoes have fructose and glucose to help them become sweet, but the smoky flavor, I looked into it and finally I got hold of a chemist that talked about it and explained how this is possible. So let's go into it. A non-smoky tomato has 3 disaccharides. Add a third sugar molecule, then it's stored as a trisaccharide. These cannot be broken down into a smoky flavor. Actually, they're odorless and tasteless at this point. However, what's different with a smoky tomato, it has a crippling gene. Therefore, they cannot produce the enzyme like the non-smoky tomato. As the chemist explained, the enzymes are either the matchmakers and they attract everything, or they break it up. They break the relationship. I thought that was really cute. So the smoky tomato is called a disaccharide, which can be broken up, unlike the other ones. But how is this possible? How does it get broken up? Well, either by cutting it with a knife or, my favorite, by chewing it. What this does is it breaks up the aromatic volatiles, I always say that, volatiles, and then they're released. I can never say that word, even in school. So why is this important? Well, it's really important to the breeders. That way they can produce some really cool looking tomatoes, some really tasty tomatoes. I mean, they're really paying a lot of money for this information. For me, and possibly you, a smoky tomato, hey, I'm thinking of the dishes that I'm going to create, like a smoky salsa. Now, let me get the tomatoes that I've started. Okay, this new 2022 smoky tomato is called the medium rare hybrid by Burby. And I'll post a picture. So I started 4 of these early. I always try to start the seed so I could tell you if they work out, everything about it really, as much as I can. So I started 400% rate on germination, which surprised me. Now it's only 4, but that's all I need at this point. It's really early. But what I did notice, they grew really quickly, and if you could zoom in, they actually have a smoky purple flavor color. I was really surprised on this. So I assume they know about that. And the roots rooted pretty well. I started 1 in this peat moss pod and some in just soil. So now I'm going to transplant it. When I transplant these, I'm going to drop them because these are really weak stems because they're not under grow light. And basically now that they're growing, I'm adding Stay Green, which has nutrients. So let me pot these up real quick. All right, they're potted. I put them all in one pot. That way I can put it in the window. In about a week or 2, I'm going to pull up the green lights. I did pull one out by accident. It's kind of got a root, so I'm going to root this in water and make sure that I can save it. If not, I'm going to make some more. I guess I thinned it out, which I hate to do. But let me know. I have a Gmail, Campbell's Freedom Farm at gmail.com. I would love to hear if you guys tried these. Send photos or else on the comments below. But I really appreciate the chemist that really explained everything. And I'm really looking forward to this it's supposed to be a very large tomato. It's out of the beefsteak family. And tomato that's smoky. Yum. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. And again, thank you to the chemist. Have a great day. Please subscribe, like, and share.